Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a quick review of the OOMA Tello, basically a device over here. I'm currently using this OOMA wirelessly with no Ethernet port plug in back of it. This is my review. The good thing is you can wirelessly communicate, also connect to your phone with Bluetooth phone. That's if they are compatible, obviously. If not, you kind of just screw, but at the same time, nowadays a lot of phone, even flip phone, have Bluetooth, so you should not have any trouble to connect to that with. This is what I don't like about this device is a lot of things I don't like about it. This is my second device that's replacement. Which is the replacement device. The replacement device had this similar problem. It's like the Bluetooth is pretty weak and that kind of stuff, and I was backing into swap a device was on something else, but they refused it. So I would say if you think about getting this, I would not suggest you getting that. I would rather you stay away from that to get called Linksys or Links, Linx. The adapter, basically what that is it created called remote port on one of those outlets that you can plug in. It's pretty bulk, but I reviewed it before, so you can plug that right in there. So just keep that in mind. It's better to have the Links device as wireless and put this on the Ethernet port so you can get great signal. That's one of the issue. But also there have like buttons over here. You can see voicemail, backplay, and forward. If you don't have answer machine, I think this is useful, but otherwise this is pointless. So keep that in mind. That's what wireless dongle serve purpose, so you can put this anywhere you want it, but at the same time it doesn't work as good as I hoped. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have any question about how easy it is to set up, it's odd is one of my computer doesn't work, but on my in different computer I tested, it does be able to tell me to go into setup.ooma.com. I don't know why. That's strange to me. I don't know the computer blocked a port or what exactly happened. So yeah, keep that in mind when you set it up. You might have to try a different computer to set up the wireless port, but in the end, I do not suggest you get that. I think after this review, I'll probably just throw that away and don't ever see that. Probably won't ever see that. And I just want to say, and the last thing is, I have this for years without the wireless. It works perfectly. I connected directly to the modem. I have the speed of 45 megabits. It works fine. It's like it went through 40, 60. I tested on a 45 megabit internet and 60. Of course, that's only download. The upload is like it's 5 megabit upload. This require very very low speed, not DSL speed, but like 5 megabits up, 5 megabits down. It should be good enough. But yeah, keep that in mind that that is the case. Any other than that, I wouldn't say one of the complaint I have this is the premium service. The premium service, they advertise that you have a lot of features, and I personally think the only feature that's really useful is called um, forwarding calls. So basically, when this device rings, it also rings to your phone. So that's one of the features that we really liked a lot, but it does not have on the basic service. Um, the other thing is called instant second line. So for example, if somebody's on the phone, I can just pick up some other phone and just start talking. That was included in premium service, does not include with the basic. We use that several times, so that's kind of nice to have that feature. I really liked it. This is like a basically three-way calling, but still is like somebody else picking up in in the house. So that's kind of nice to have that. The other feature that let me think. It worked was, I don't think it worked very well because it's home automation part that if you don't have Nest, it's pointless. It's basically when your Nest is on the away mode, it will forward your call to the cell phone that you had to set. So that way it will, you won't miss a call. It really doesn't work for us very much. I don't know why. Maybe the setting that we did is wrong, but it really didn't work for us. That's one of the things. Over here is our wireless H2O handset. I did a review on that. This is pretty good as wireless device, and I really liked it. Occasionally, somebody else cannot hear me, or I cannot hear them very clearly, but most of the time it's pretty good. Of course, when you have that dongle over here, if the camera focused, it made it this even worse. So be aware of that. So yeah. Well, thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I appreciate that. If you like this video, you can check out the video for the Lynx device that I was talking about, or you can check out the H2O handset link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll hope you guys enjoyed this information. If you ever think about it, thinking about to getting a OOMA devices, obviously just look around refurbished devices. As long as it's not cost like, because when you start it, it's kind of expensive, but look for like refurbished or already used. You might have to pay the activation fee, but that's only $10. So if you get this device for $30, am I worth it? So, and the first year you just use for like a basic service, and next year you can upgrade to like premium or still stay at basic service, because you can just pay taxes for the monthly service, which is kind of cool. Anyway, long story short, and thank you for watching again, and you have a great day. Subscribe, and here is the link.